Hi everyone, welcome to this video. If you're having problem with your sewing machine, especially with the machine plate, then this video is well for you. We are Alina's Fashion. We are trying to teach repairs and sewing. On this channel, we teach you practical sewing and machine repairs you can do at home. Now let us show you one common reason the machine have this plate out without you being able to fix it effortlessly. Okay, maybe your toddler or someone else just remove it, or you mistakenly removed it and you're trying to fix it yourself and you're not able to do that. We are going to show you how to fix it. Okay, so if you have this and you've done all way possible to fix it and it's not fixing well, or maybe you probably trying your best like this person. Okay, you turn it, you flip it, you have this beneath the plate. Oh, and so you're trying to fix it all the way from this part. No, 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 no. So we are going to show you how to fix this. Okay, so just keep watching the video to see how we finally get this fixed. Okay, stay tuned to Alina's Fashion. You're welcome to this video.
Daddy, could we have somebody to drive us there? Dad, could we have somebody to drive us there? Yes, Chris.
Hey everyone, welcome to Linus Fashion. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your sewing machine in case you're having any issue, any problem at all. This video will show you how to fix it, okay? So just stay glued to it. If you've not subscribed to Linus Fashion, subscribe. See you in the video. Now let's dive into the main tutorial. So there are many problems that may arise if this is not fitting or is not sitting properly in your machine. Okay, this is the spring clips in underneath the plate. This is the spring clips. Just clean it. Make sure there's no dirt or dust accumulation. Clean it very well, and then you position it like this. You have to look out for plates and misalignment. Okay, or misalignment of the feed dogs. Okay, and make sure that the plate is not bent in any way. Okay, so while fixing this, you look out for all that. And before you do anything like this, make sure the lacer feet is raised up. Okay, raise the presser foot up before you do this. Then this is it. Put in a clip by this side. Okay, and then you twist this. Just twist it like you are giving it a slight bend. Just twist it like this and put the other clip this way. Okay, can you look at this very well? Put it like this and then you push it in. There you go, all fixed, all done. Okay, so all these issues are something you can really do at home. Thank you for watching.